This is the Chase Duckett dining hall. What I love about this dining hall is that it opens 30 minutes earlier than the other dining halls. Even outside of the dining hours, things like cereal, coffee, milk, bagels are always left out for us to take whenever we want. For breakfast, I got a bowl of fruits and raisin bagel with butter and coffee. On the weekends, I just like to stay at the dining hall between breakfast and lunch and get some work done. I had an exam later this day, so I'm studying for that. For lunch, I got focaccia, potatoes, and chicken rice soup. It was really good. After lunch, I met up with Rachel, who's also a Campus Real content creator, made some content, and headed over to go take my exam. It was a data science exam that I was able to bring in a cheat sheet. I felt pretty good about it. I was back at the Chase Duckett dining hall for dinner. I got chicken over rice, spinach, and boiled egg. Whenever they have Asian food, they have fortune cookies, and I guess I have a lifetime of happiness ahead of me.